First of all, he says, I have to tell you that I can hardly wait to be done with this session because I can hardly wait to call my friends. And he says, because they are obviously hoping that I'm going to get this message so that I just fully stay with my family of choice and health and finally leave the other family just to be done.
There's little that is more heartbreaking than being over here in health, actively working in health, because it's always a work in progress, and watching someone that you love deeply straddle the line when it feels so obvious to you how deeply supported that they could be if they just picked up that other fucking foot and came over to the light side.
Yeah, and you know what? They have to pick up their own foot. Nobody gets to push the foot over.
Yeah. You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.